Hey Marbles, here are some of the worked out solutions for your homework that is due tomorrow. 1A is they're asking for the slope of the tangent line when x equals 4, and then also when x equals 16. From that, you needed to find the equation of the tangent line and use that to do a couple of approximations. For part C, I sketched the two tangent lines and then solved a pretty simple system of equations by substitution in order to get the point of intersection. You also maybe could have done that on your calculator. Moving on to problem number 2, found the slope of the tangent line when x equals -3 and what that meant for the function. Then I continued on with the equation of that line and the approximation. That told me that it was decreasing. For part D, I needed to find it at a different value, I believe. When I was doing this simplification and taking this limit, I needed to find a common denominator. So that is what is going on right there. The limit as h approaches 0 is -1/9. For number 3, I needed to work with different functions. Here I solved it out for g, and then found that approximation to be 16. Here is for h of x at x equals -2. Solution there should be 40. When you input the new value, your approximation should be 38. -38, rather. J of x worked out the solution here. When I approximate that new value at -1.9, I get 9.6. And then lastly, for k of x, -12. When I input -1.9, I get 10.6. Part 4 asked me to quickly see if there were any patterns or trends. I'll be honest, I used a shortcut. I used the power rule in order to figure out what the slope of these values were for each of those different functions.